This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are in Chiang Mai getting ready for the first family trip to Chiang Mai. You guys know the drill. This time Maya is not with us. She's in Phuket, living there. But we will travel with two cars still, because we are going to return the Ora Good Cat we bought from Ceramic Pro in Chiang Mai and then pick up the ZS EV. It has done some it's a light treatment. They call it reborn, just 7,000 baht. It's roughly 200 euros, so it's not too expensive. But yeah, so we have now taken out all the car seat stuff in the Ora. Well, it's kind of messy, sorry, they're gonna clean it. And then you guys know the trunk is quite small. We put the broken Samsonite here. It needs the zipper replaced, so hopefully we can find a place that can repair it. That's pretty much it. So wife will be driving the Ora Good Cat, and then we have the MG IM6. So this is going to be the family car we will be driving around Chiang Mai. And then in the back, as usual, we have Cybex Anoris T2. Isabel is using it, and then over there is Cybex Cloud T Axel. So we actually brought them from Norway. And then the trunk is not the biggest, but still big enough. I had to be careful. Oh, stop. There, okay. So we actually bring two strollers. We might not need both of them, but in case they need to sleep in the daytime. Yes. What's up, Isabel? Yes, soon. So some luggage, only one big suitcase. Yeah, Isabel start the potty training, so we also bring this with us. Always bring an IKEA bag, and that's pretty much it. So we are good to go now to Chiang Mai. Well, we've been driving for about half an hour, and wife is behind in the pussy cat, and yeah, she wanted me to drive slow. She asked me, "Are you in a hurry?" I'm like, "No, not really. The kids behind, they are asleep now. I'm not sure, but they are asleep in the back there. So timing-wise, we want them to sleep around. Well, actually, Axel wants to sleep for 2 hours." Isabel, she can sleep for about 1.5 hours. She woke up a bit early today, so what the heck is that beeping? Man, I thought I just turned off everything now. Yeah, everything is off. Strange. Okay, but yeah. So now we're gonna take it easy. Look at the consumption. 134 watt-hour per kilometer. That is simply amazing, huh? Yeah, eventually on the way back, we're gonna try the Thunder Drive, see how efficient this big beast from the east is. Yeah, so, well, I was actually not driving that fast, but I was using the full width of the car in the curves, but wifey doesn't seem to drive like that. So she was like, "Why are you driving so fast?" I'm like, okay, all right, I'm gonna drive slow then. Calm down, woman. Let's do Thunder driving. Oh, actually, this is slower than Thunder driving. In Thunder driving, I'll be cruising at 80 on the speedo. Well, actually, this speedometer is way off. 62 here is only 56 GPS speed. No, all good. We have arrived at Ceramic Pro, and look at the consumption. 111 watt-hour per kilometer. That is simply amazing. It means that the IM6 can be efficient. You just have to get the rear-wheel drive, drive a place where it is 31 degrees Celsius and then drive slow. But look here, this is the MG ZS EV I purchased. I saw a couple of episodes ago. I picked it up in Bangkok. Since then, they replaced the left and right front ball bearings, and I haven't driven the car yet. And at least the guys over here who drove the car for me to the MG service center and then back again, they said that on the way there they heard this noise somewhere, you know, and on the way back it was dead silent. So yes, that was good. 8,500 baht for both sides. And the backup camera has been replaced. I don't know what was up with the old, but the new should be nice and clear. But when it comes to this part here, it's still there. And Kun Chon, the owner, he said that this is, they want to do this on purpose actually. He could sand it down and put some clear coat or whatever, but it's like they want to show that it has not been damaged, like deep. It has been gone through a repair. So okay, whatever. It has a little scar there. That's fine, no problem. It's barely visible. But also, so they have done this reborn package. It costs 9,000 baht. First I thought it was 7,000, but okay, 9,000. But it's not that much. So they have clean, deep clean, and then coated parts of the car undercarriage, and also done some like a light coat here. So I can feel it when I drive, and when I put the finger over it, that it's not super silky smooth like the 5 or the 4 layer I had with the original ZS EV I had. That was a lot more expensive. It was around 40,000-50,000 baht. Then you actually get the ceramic pro coating, but it still should have some aquaphobic or repelling stuff. And they also cleaned the interior. So think about this. The car has done 75k kilometers now, and the interior looks almost like new. Huh? Amazing, right? Look at this. Yeah, also, supposedly I didn't notice, but the stitching here, when I picked up the car, it was not white, it was dirty. So they actually brought it back, the stitching. So it looks almost like new, huh? For 250k baht. Okay, it might not have the newest tech, but at least it looks great now, and it's also finished. And great news is that MG, I contacted MG Thailand and I asked about the replacement here and there. It was 11,000 baht something total, and I got 15% discount. So I ended up paying 9,000 baht for the repair. So, I mean, we're still at 258k baht for this car. And okay, I measured 12% degradation, but it still has 37 kilowatt hours. So compared to my e-Golf in Norway that I bought from Elbilmek, that was 40k NOK, which is roughly 100 or half the price of this car, right? But I then get around 17 kilowatt hour battery and no thermal management. So someone actually suggested that I should do a 500 kilometer challenge of this car. Maybe I'll do that in Thailand. Yeah, why not? 500-kilometer challenge. See if we can set some new records. Can we actually beat the classic Ioniq? Ooh, I mean, we have more kilowatt hour, but we don't charge as fast as the classic Ioniq. And actually, when we hammer it, it becomes kind of thirsty. But yeah, look at this, huh? It's like brand spanking new. Wow. So, Ceramic Pro shop in Chiang Mai. If you just happen to have any connection with Thailand, or you have a car here, the best clients that come here has a e-tron GT. I can show you that they have nice customers, and they can do coating. They can do, well, I'm not sure what they do, but at least Ceramic Pro coating. So yeah, you see. Yeah, okay. These are the kind of customers that comes here. A Ferrari, yeah, why not? Well, check the license plate. Oh, you know, when it has that extra color, and the less digits, the more expensive it is. It's based on auction, so the license plate, what should be really expensive. Yeah. And then here you see inside here there's like a chamber when they do the treatment, and probably to reduce dust in here. So yeah. And then I was thinking maybe it's Geländewagen, but it's not. But yeah, okay. So yeah, you can go check it out. Ceramic Pro, the best in Chiang Mai. Yeah, look now. Backup camera. Wait, what? There. Nice and clear now. Yeah, 2,800 baht, or around 2,500 after discount. I think that's okay. All right. Wife is gonna drive the MG like good old times. Just had to show a quick intro about start, stop, whatever, and the button and the gear and whatever. So yeah, well, all right. Let's get over to Central Festival. Welcome back to Central Festival. We start by finding some food here at the food park. Yeah, nice. It's a bit, oh, okay, she wants to go to mommy. Okay, food. We have kamu dang with soup, and then kamu. Yes, Isabel likes kamu. We have to be careful because Axel is allergic to egg whites. All right, let's dig in. Okay, we're gonna change diaper, and they found this sign. So in Thailand, the man is supposed to stand and watch the lady, the mommy, change diaper. Oh, I almost forgot. It's 25th of December. Merry Christmas. Nice and warm here in Chiang Mai. Alright, we're now in the bounce tupra thingy. This is the first time Axel is here. Isabel, come back here. Axel is too slow. Come on. So yeah, I'm here with the two kids, and then wifey is somewhere else now, just chilling without the kids. Isabel, she's over there. You like it? Axel, you like it? Huh? Big space here. We always come here. At least Isabel loves it here. Alright, done with the bounce and burning calories. Now we're gonna find food. Oh, I want some of the fresh juice and some, well, I don't know, oh man, oh, they have so much food here. Oh, food heaven. Wow, look at that. Some goodies. The Axel wants to go to mommy. Some fruits. Okay, he's not happy. Maybe he's getting grumpy, he's getting sleepy. Oh yeah, oh mango. Wow. This time we stay in a townhouse. I don't know what they call it, rekkehus. So it was not that expensive, only 2,000 baht per night. We're only staying here 2 nights. So, well, I asked the host, can we park 2 cars here? She said yes, okay. So 1 car is in there and then the MG is here. So we just park it so that we are not in the way. So, well, it should be good, right? But there's a small problem inside. Downstairs, we don't have that much space, but that's fine. I mean, it's only 2 nights anyway, and we don't travel with Maya, so it's only 2 adults, 2 children. But there is no air conditioning down here, only fans downstairs. Yeah, Axel fell asleep. He also vomited slightly. We need to clean that up. But yeah, so quick room inspection. This is just a simple kitchen. I'm not sure we're supposed to cook in here, probably. And then we have a bathroom downstairs. Wait, is there a shower? There's also a shower there. What the heck, man? You basically shower right next to a toilet. Yeah, that's Thailand style. And then upstairs, kind of steep stairs. Go up here. And okay, there's 1 bedroom there. Wife is naked in there. That's for the OnlyFans members only. And then we have 2 bedrooms. So fortunately, cold air sinks. So I put both air conditioner to 16 degrees Celsius and maximum fan speed. So they're gonna cool down, at least upstairs, and then it should also go downstairs. So you can show the main room. Yeah, so I mean, it's okay. Yeah, it works. Yeah, just for 2 nights. 2,000 baht. Yeah. Now, let's get some rest.